isang Nepo Becky, karapatan kong ipamukha sa inyo na kaya kong magrenta ng sasakyan basta makagala lang. If you are looking for an affordable car rental here in Batangas, whether self-drive or with driver, Autopiloto Car Rentals got your back. Autopiloto Car Rental is located in Lot 5 Commercial Area, Bloomfield Subdivision, Lipa City, Batangas. Their office is open from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Super friendly na mga staff nila dito. Prices start at 999 pesos only. Yes, you heard me right. You heard me right? Before releasing the unit, Autopiloto makes sure to discuss everything about it and ensures that the vehicle is full tank before it is released. Tangina English? At syempre, bagong car wash. Don't forget to use the code the Nebobeki lang ang masarap. Charot, baka gamitin nyo mag-abono pa ako. For more details, you may click the link sa comment section and don't forget to follow Autopiloto Car Rentals Lipa. Endorser yarn! Kaya kasama ng aking mga Nepopotamus together with Autopiloto Car Rentals Lipa, tara Tagaytay tayo para ipamukha sa inyo na napupunta sa tama ang tax nyo. Charot. Hi guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Tagaytay City upang dayuhin at tikman ang yummy Aliwings and Lugaw. Kaya let's go! Ala, nandiyan pala kayo! At kung ang hanap nyo naman ay very affordable na Anli Wings dito sa Tagaytay City, don't forget to check Yummy Anli Wings and Lugaw dito lamang sa Santa Rosa, Tagaytay City. For Anli Wings and Anli Rice, prices starts at 299 pesos only. At matitikman nyo na ang kanilang 10 different flavors ng Anli Wings. Let's try! Ang sarap! Ang sarap! I highly recommended Yummy, Anli Wings and Lugaw kasi super panalo lahat ng flavors ng Anli Wings nila except sa Mango Habanero na hindi ko alam kung saan sila kumukuha ng lakas ng loob na isama yun sa menu ay di naman masarap. Charot. If ayaw nyo naman ng Anli Wings, they still have a different menu to try. Kaya kayo na lang yung pumunta kaysa explain to isa-isa hindi ko naman kinain lahat. Are you having fun? Hi! Dito lang yun sa Tagaytay, everyone! Alright, ayan. Guys, this is a must try Anli Wings dito sa Tagaytay. Kaya dambahan nyo to mga babe. Ngayon na! As in, ngayon na, mga babe. Ay, charot. Charot. Ate, come here. Dito ka, ate. Kung i-rate mo tong chicken wings nyo over 10, anong rate mo? Bakit ikaw magre-rate? Kami naman yung kumain. Charing ka. Charot lang, thank you so much, ate. It's a 10 over 10 for me, guys. Head up! Ayan! Hooray! Baka ko tumuto. Charing lang. Yes. If you know this song po, sabayin niyo po ako.
When all's heaven was Virginia, which mountain and the river, life is only holding them arteries. Come on down the mountains, going like a breeze. Come to roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Count your rose. You were never I hear her voice in the morning as she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road and then I'm feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, oh, count your rose. Take me home. Wala pa kayo po yan ha. To the place. And I'm in love, West Virginia. Oh, mountain mama, take me home. Count your roads. Are you having fun? Yes! Agad na po yung bayad nyo. Thank you so much po.
Bye guys! Don't forget to click the yellow basket! Bye! Thank you so much po. Bye-bye. Bye guys! Thank you so much everyone!
Thank you so much, Ata Pilato. Bye!